Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, this is a 15 minutes chart, so you have to understand that the price of gold is continuously from here this particular point there is a continuous fall. Okay, what we have seen that a level of around 3291 there was a continuous upside, but now it is trying to go down. Okay, after making a half around $33.25, and chances can be high that if the price started going below a level of around 33.10, we can see there can be a further fall, and we can see it can go towards 33.07, and then a further downfall also we can see towards $33.03. Okay, and this particular pattern is supporting an uptrend, so you have to understand as soon as the price started hitting above a level of 33.16, there is a chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, but if you look at the longer pattern, the bigger pattern, opposite U pattern is forming. So if the price started going below this particular level of around 33.05, there is a chances of further downfall we can see. There is a probability of touching today's low, and from there it can move below a level of 32.85 also if the price started falling below this particular level. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a narrow pattern forming. You have to understand this particular pattern. If we see a bigger pattern, see, if you look at this particular trend, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this particular pattern is suggesting that there is a probability that we can see if the price started going below this particular level. First level is 3214. If it started going below this particular level, then we can see this trend can break downside. But if it started going above a level of 33.59, there is a chances of further upside. Okay, see, there are a lot of factors that is creating a volatility in the market of gold. Okay, so one of the factor is dollar index and Fed interest rate, CPI data, PPI data. These are all the events which is there. But when they see dollar index and gold is inversely related to each other. So when dollar index rises, we see the gold price comes down. Similarly, if dollar index started going down, we see the gold price goes up. This is what we see mostly, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. Okay, so you have to understand that if the price started falling, it goes in same direction, or whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so capital will be saved, and once you in profit, try to trail it so your profit will be saved. These two things you have to do. Coming back on the gold price, on the dollar index. Okay, what we can see, if you look at the dollar index, it is below $100, and it is creating two patterns. Okay, a bigger pattern is this. So if it started falling below this level, it can move towards $99.12, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $98.7. Okay, and if that fall below this level, chance of touching 97.8 we can see, and a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 96.5 to a further downfall towards $96, and then a further fall. But if it started rising above this level, it can move again towards a level of 100.3, and from there a further upside we can see towards $102, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there can be a further rise towards 103.5, and then a further upside we can see towards 104. Okay, coming back on the gold price, what we can see, if you look at the gold price, chances are high that if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move towards next level, that is coming at a level of $33.25, and this level is already being tested, so the price will go further high, and yes, after that it can move towards $33.28. Suppose if it started sustaining above this level, we can see it will go further upside towards a level of $33.45, and this level is already tested, so the price can rise further upside, and from there it can touch its next level, that is $33.49. After 45 we can see level of 33.49, that is also being tested, so we can see the price will go further upside towards a level of around 33.57, and if that sustain, we will see the price will go towards a level of 33.64. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see the price will move further upside, and yes, after that the price will move towards a level of $33.72, and then a further upside we can see. So you have to understand, if the price started going above a level of $33.66, there will be a chances of going further upside and chances of going towards $33.71 we can see, and from there a level of $33.88, and then a further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.